Welcome to Top Num Up. Did you know that every country has a vegetable they simply can't live without? Today we're exploring the top 30 most used vegetables in the world's most populated nations. Hit like, subscribe, and let's discover what's cooking in kitchens across the globe. Top 30 most used vegetables per nation. 30. Spain. Tomatoes are at the heart of Spanish cooking. From gazpacho to sofrito, they're everywhere. 29. Kenya. Cabbage. In Kenya, cabbage is often stir-fried with onions and tomatoes, a staple side dish on many family tables. 28. Colombia. Potatoes are key in Colombian cuisine, especially in ajiaco, a traditional hearty soup. 27. South Korea. Napa cabbage. South Korea's signature vegetable, used to make kimchi, the country's most famous dish. 26. Myanmar cabbage. Widely used in soups, stir-fries, and fresh salads across Myanmar's diverse regions. 25. Tanzania. Onion. Onions are the essential base for almost every stew and sauce in Tanzanian cooking. 24. South Africa. Cabbage is a go-to vegetable in South Africa's braised dishes, stews, and home-style meals. 23. Italy. Tomato. No tomato, no Italy. From pizza to pasta sauces, tomatoes are at the core of Italian cuisine. 22. United Kingdom. Potato. Potatoes are the classic side in British meals, from fish and chips to Sunday roasts. 21. France. Carrots are everywhere in French kitchens, soups, stews, and the essential mirepoix base. 20. Thailand. Chinese kale stir-fried with soy sauce or tossed into noodles. Chinese kale is a Thai street food hero. 19. Germany. Potato. From potato salads to comforting soups, the potato is Germany's most versatile vegetable. 18. Iran. Onion. Nearly every Iranian stew and rice dish begins with onions, sweet, caramelized, and full of depth. 17. Turkey. Tomatoes are the foundation for Turkish sauces, stews, and fresh Mediterranean salads. 16. DR Congo. Cassava leaves. Cassava leaves are a Congolese staple, slowly cooked into rich, hearty stews. 15. Vietnam. Morning glory. Water spinach. Often stir-fried with garlic or added to broths, morning glory is a beloved Vietnamese green. 14. Egypt. Egyptian cuisine relies heavily on tomatoes for stews, rice dishes, and salads like fattoush. 13. Philippines. Eggplants are key in many Filipino dishes, from grilled sides to the national stew kare-kare. 12. Ethiopia. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cornerstone in Ethiopian vegetarian dishes, especially during religious fasting. 11. Japan. Daikon. Radish daikon is everywhere in Japan, simmered, pickled, or grated as a refreshing side. 10. Mexico. Tomatoes are the soul of Mexican cooking, essential in salsas, stews, and street food. 9. Russia. Potato, a daily essential in Russian cuisine, from soups to dumplings like pelmeni. 8. Bangladesh. Potatoes are widely used in Bangladeshi curries, biryani, and street snacks. 7. Brazil. Cassava. Cassava roots and flour, farofa, are core to Brazilian meals and street food. 6. Nigeria. Tomatoes are the foundation of Nigerian stews and the iconic jollof rice. 5. Pakistan. Onion. No Pakistani curry or biryani starts without a base of golden fried onions. 4. Indonesia. Cabbage. Used in stir-fries, soups, and as a side dish, cabbage is a constant on the Indonesian table. 3. United States. Potato. From French fries to mashed potatoes, the potato reigns supreme in American kitchens. 2. India. Potatoes are everywhere in India, in samosas, curries, and street foods across all regions. 1. China. Bok choy. Bok choy is China's beloved leafy green. Stir-fried, steamed, or simmered in countless dishes. What's the most popular vegetable in your country? Drop it in the comments. If you love this global food journey, hit like, subscribe, and join us here on Top Num Up for more delicious rankings every week.